Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll show you how to leave a review on Doordash. So first of all, go ahead and open Doordash on your device. Make sure you're signed into your account. Select a restaurant that you want to review. Now from here you can go ahead and scroll down and you'll be able to find this review section. As you can see in here, you can simply tap on the amount of stars that you want to leave for this restaurant and create a review for this restaurant. So simply do that. That will redirect you into this section. So just simply give your star rating for this restaurant and set your review to your preferred privacy for this review. You can also incorporate text with this review and hit on the submit button at the bottom of your screen once you have entered the review that you have for this restaurant. So as you can see, you can give a public review or a private feedback for this restaurant and continue with the next steps. Once you have finalized your review, you can simply hit on the submit button, and that is how you can basically leave a review on Doordash. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.